What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick video for you, something pretty laid back. I'm currently working on a big video covering the nostalgic grooming full line and all the changes they made to their formulas, but that's not fully ready yet, so I decided to just jump into this here for today. Now, a lot of you ask why and how I get my hair cut, and we have covered this a lot in the past. I've done several videos on this subject, but I decided to just film up my latest haircut and give you guys the measurements real quick. This is something, again, that we've done, and I haven't changed my haircut. I just noticed that even with those things available, a lot of questions are still coming in. So I decided to film that up, but I also decided to bring Hudson Mane in for the haircut as well. And the reason I did that was, one, we just reviewed their line, so hopefully they're still fresh on your minds. If not, go back and watch that video so they can be fresh in your minds. And two, I wanted to use a brand that I don't normally feature. I don't want to just run with the same old stuff and the same things repeatedly, so I decided to go with a brand that I recently reviewed so it wouldn't be just, you know, out of nowhere, but it was also one that I don't talk about a lot. And again, this is meant to be just pretty laid back, pretty chill. We're just getting a haircut today after all. So let's first talk about my weird head and why I do the style that I do, and you know, the why of the whole topic, I guess. First of all, I'm not sure what you'd really call my hairstyle. I for sure think it's an undercut. I mean, that's quite fitting with the short sides and the longer top, but my sides are actually faded, and my hair almost always goes over to one side, kind of like a contour, and then it has some kind of quiffness in there as well. So I kind of call it a Franken style, if that makes sense. But there is a reason behind this for me. One, my sides are totally unruly when they grow out. When they grow out, they curl, and it's really annoying. And then the top, it actually gets really wavy, extremely thick when it gets too long, and its thickness is still a problem even at the level that I'm at now. And on top of all of that, I have an oddly shaped head, so the cut has to be catered to that as well. It's quite exhausting, but Jenny, my stylist, is awesome about this. She takes care of it every single time. That's why I've stuck with her for so long. I've had my hair cut by her for 6 or 7 years now, and she's become the expert on how annoying my skull is and how crazy my hair can be. So we're gonna go through the cut here today real quick so I can show you once again how it's done for me. Now here we are back in the salon. I've been coming here, like I said, for years now. It's a fantastic salon with some amazingly talented people, but Jenny is my main stylist. She knows everything pretty much there is to know about how annoying my hair can be. First off though, with the cut, we are starting with the fade, which we sometimes take down to skin just to kind of switch it up a little bit, but today she's using just a one blade. And then when it comes to the upper sides, they are left as clipper over comb so they can kind of hide the weird shape my head takes. After that though, it is time to shampoo and condition, and today we are using the Hudson Mane Activated Charcoal Cleansing Set. This is actually a really nice cleansing duo. If you saw the video, you already know it's got activated charcoal in there to fully clean and refresh my hair while getting it totally rejuvenated with that conditioner, so Jenny can get a look at what else is needed to bring my hair to 100%. After all that's done, we're back in the chair. Jenny does look over my head, and she found a few areas that do need a bit of touching up though, and she's gonna take care of that. Washing the hair revealed all of that, brought the hair back to life so she could quickly see what areas needed to be tackled before we took care of the top. And speaking of the top, we do need to talk about that too and how she does that. What we do here is she leaves it longer in the front and shorter in the back with the back disconnected, and at the furthest length it's about 4 inches or so. Sometimes I let that vary based on how it's working, how it's behaving, but today we're not actually taking any length off, and generally I only trim the length on top about once a month. So today we're going to just thin it out. That's all we're going to do the top, because once again my hair is not thin, it's extremely thick, and it's so thick in fact that I have to get it thinned and texturized pretty much every haircut, which I actually enjoy because after it's done it's way more cooperative. It sits much better, it's easier to style with, and it just feels so much better. And after that it is time to style, and for that we are going to be using the shaping paste from Hudson Mane again because it offers a nice medium hold and it's just really easy to use, and it's something she can just throw in my hair to polish things off and really just show off the results of the cut. And that's pretty much it there. That's how I get my hair cut every other week. And really the reason I don't change it up, the reason why I don't go longer or even shorter is so that I can demonstrate all different types of products for you guys here on the channel, from, you know, matte finish paste like this one, the one we just used, or cleaner cut looks, pomade slick styles, or lazy day styles. It gives me all the freedom and opportunity to show you guys all different types of products, and it really allows me to test them out as well and offer you guys opinions. As for what I use today, Hudson Mane, if you'd like to check them out, I will leave a link in the description. I almost combine the words link and description. I will leave a link in the description there if you're interested in checking them out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys doing that and checking out this video today. I will be back very soon with you guys right here with an all new video. And until then, you take it easy. I'll see you next time.